Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the carpet cleaning strategy on DJI ROMO. To do it, click on the settings in top right corner, then go to carpet settings, and now if you already have some existing carpets on the map, you could click here and then find the carpet on the map, click on it and adjust its settings. If you don't have one, you can change the settings for a newly recognized carpet, and either for existing carpets or for a newly recognized ones, it has all these free options. And also it is pretty important that that you know that the that it can be set for each carpet. It can be set differently. Now you can set it to suction boost, which means that the mop pad will be lifted and the suction power will be increased, and it's recommended for low pile carpets, as robot may push small rags during cleaning. Strategy does not apply to small rags. Now cross carpet means that it will stop cleaning and lift mop pads to cross carpets. It's recommended for use on obstructive carpets that are pretty hard to bypass, and you can also do ignore carpet, and it's just gonna clean normally like it would, like the carpet wasn't there. And it's great when carpet gets misidentified, and for example there's no carpet but it says that there is one, and you can just ignore it. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.